Clift from the IORA Blue Carbon Hub. Welcome to the fourth in our video training series. So far in our series we've had a video on how to take a core from a seagrass meadow, how to calculate the compression that we get when we take that core, and then in the third video Anna showed us how to slice the core in the lab. In today's video, Yusmiana is going to show us how to weigh and grind the samples that we get when we slice the core. So what have we got here, Yusmiana?
Yeah, thank you, Matt. So for grinding and weighing, we have, if we will do it manually, we will use mortar and pestle. And if we're gonna do it using machine, we have grinding machine over here. And of course, we will need container for the grinding machine and also with the grinding bowls. And for weighing, we will need our balance over there. And we're gonna need this empty container as a base. And this is our samples. Remember when we got this together with the Ziplocs? So we will need empty Ziplocs to weigh them and to get the weight of the samples. And we will also need tweezers, spoons, and of course our gloves. And don't forget your laboratory sheet. Okay, so next we're going to weigh our sediment samples here. And if you haven't done it before, don't forget to weigh about 10 pieces of empty Ziploc container because we're going to subtract them from the weight of the samples later on. Okay, so next we're going to grind our sediment samples. So if you are lucky enough to get access to the grinding machines, you can use it, and this is the container and grinding bowls to do that. But if you don't have access to the machines, a mortar and pestles will do the works, but it's just a bit slower. Okay, so now we are ready to grind our sediment samples. You might want to check if your samples contain big chunk of shells like this. You might want to remove it, but don't forget to weigh them later on. And if you want to subsample your sediments, don't forget to make sure that it's representative of the whole samples. But for now, we're going to use all the samples and grind them together. Today we are lucky enough to get access to the grinding machine, so I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. We have container, we have two grinding bowls, and this is the lid. So we make sure to homogenize the sediments, and we put one grinding bowl inside. And we put another one and close with the lid. So this is the one that I prepared before, because in the machine we have to make sure they are balanced, so we will put two containers to the machines. Here we go. We have our ground samples ready for the analysis. And for the next video, Anna will show you how to do the acidification of the samples and also the measurement of organic matter. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again next time.